Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the headset closely, because knowing what failed saves time. Look at the battery, hinge, cable, and ear cup seems to identify cracks or loose connections. Once you see the fault, gather a small Phillips and Torx set, a plastic pry tool, a soldering iron, and a multimeter. Make sure replacement parts like a battery or cable are on hand. This first step prevents guesswork and lets you move directly into targeted repairs without unnecessary disassembly. You now open the ear cups and remove screws, keeping them organized so reassembly is simple. Use a plastic pry tool to separate plastic clips. Do it gently to avoid breaking tabs. Next, test the battery voltage and cable continuity with your multimeter. This tells you whether to replace or repair. If you find cold solder joints or frayed speaker wires, desolder and resolder clean connections. Once done, recheck continuity. This diagnostic phase isolates the real issue before you commit to parts replacement. You now install replacements and make durable repairs. Solder new joints cleanly, add heat shrink or tape for strain relief, and secure battery connectors. Reassemble in reverse order, tightening screws evenly and snapping clips back so the fit is flush. Once assembled, pair and test Bluetooth, confirm volume and mic function, and run a full battery charge-discharge cycle to ensure stability. If audio is intermittent after reassembly, check for loose wires at the hinge, wiggle test while monitoring continuity to find hidden faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.